Hello everyone, welcome in channel of Mr. Statistician. Today we solve IIT JAM statistic question. Let's begin. Question is, let xn be a sequence of independent and identically distributed random variables having the common probability density function is this. If limit n tends to infinity, probability of mod of 1 upon n summation xi minus theta is less than epsilon, which is equal to 1 for all epsilon is greater than 0, then theta equals to. So, to solve this question, we need these two results. First result is a definition of consistent estimator. This definition is, if Tn is consistent estimator of psi of theta, if limit n tends to infinity, probability of Tn minus psi of theta, mod of Tn minus psi of theta is less than epsilon, which is equal to 1 for all epsilon is greater than 0. Here see in question, this is similar to this. And second result is, sample mean is consistent estimator of population mean if population mean exists. So, by first result, we compare this with this here. By comparing, Tn is equal to this Tn, which is equal to 1 upon n summation I equal to 1 to n xi, which is equal to x bar n. That is a sample mean. Sample mean of observation x1, x2, xn. So here psi of theta is here theta. Psi of theta is equal to theta. Here Tn is consistent estimator of psi of phi of theta, not psi of theta. Phi of theta, if limit n tends to infinity, probability of Tn minus phi of theta is less than epsilon, which is equal to 1. Here we given that this here if and only if in this definition. So this is given. So by second result, we know that sample mean is consistent estimator of population mean. If population mean exists, here sample mean is this here. So this consistent estimator of population mean, here we ask the value of theta. Here phi of theta is population mean, because here given that sample mean. So we need to find population mean. Here population follows this density. So population mean, that is expectation of x, which is equal to integration, here x is greater than 1 to infinity fx of x dx, and this expectation which is equal to theta. So we need to find this expectation, where integration 1 to infinity x into 2 upon x cube, here x dx, which is equal to integration 1 to infinity 2 upon x square dx. So which is equal to 2 into minus 2 upon x. Here we need write x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, which is 0 to 1 to infinity. So which is equal to 2 into minus 1 upon x. Here ranges from 1 to infinity. 2 into e raised to 1 upon infinity is 0 minus 1 by 1, so which is equal to 2. So answer B is true.